All right, thank you, Tara. And the 37th annual Vectren Air Show was cut short by that rain and lightning, but before the storms rolled in, folks were enjoying some of the best flying acts in the nation. Jim Booker has his eyes to the sky.
Well, the 2011 edition of the Vectren Dayton Air Show is officially wrapped up, and even though the Air Force Thunderbirds performance was cut short due to the weather, there was still 2 full days of high-flying fun. Now, if you missed it, though, not to worry, because 2 News photographer Chris Sproles has 2 days of the air show in 2 minutes.
Hi, guys. Welcome to the Dayton Air Show. Would you like to buy a program? $5.
At the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars.
I went up last year. I was out here last year and we went up. And trying to bring back the experience.
We have been serving hot dogs and lemon shake-ups. The heat has been very hot. We've been very fortunate that with the clouds, and the breeze, it's been very tolerable.
Pepsi, that's okay.
The bullet, there's an explosive charge on the inside of these, so once it hits, it blows up.
1, 2, 3, all the way down!
It's the only way to fly.
I can't wait to see the Thunderbirds.
As you wave like crazy to Carol as Renegade Red, look, listen, and remember, for we must never forget.
I got such a great job. This was laughing. I'm having so much fun. Yes, I'm winning $5. Hello, Dayton.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, have you ever seen a helicopter do that? Here we go. Your United States Air Force Thunderbirds!
The sky was his, and his alone. When he took to the air, the beating of his wings made thunder and lightning. Come to America, every time that flag's up. Come to America.
The granddaddy of air shows for around here.
Now it's time to get ready for next year.
And you know what? I know those people. They will get started tomorrow. From the Dayton International Airport, Jim Booker, 2 News, on your side.
Great stuff there from Chris Sproles. And now is your chance to become part of our news team. You can send us your pictures of the air show. Just send them to Report It. Use your Report It app on your Android phone or iPhone. You can email us your photos also at reportit@wdtn.com.